Welcome to Gift Quiz. Choose your name letter and see your cute kitten. Like my video and do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Are you ready? So let's get started. Choose your name letter. Letter A. You got the lovely kitten who loves spa. Letter B. This one is so cute, ballerina. Letter C. Wow, you got a little chef. Letter D. You got a special biker cat. Next is letter E. Your cat is a stylish hairdresser. Letter F. So cute little lady. Letter G. Wow, you got a little pole dancer. Letter H. This one is so cute couple. Letter I. Wow, you got a rock star kitten. Letter J. This one is so cute. Letter K. You got a kitten who knit a lot. Letter L. Wow, you got kitten lady in red. Letter M. This one is top model. Letter N. You got a ninja kitten. Letter O. This is a cute nurse kitten. Letter P. This is such a serious police kitten. Letter Q. You got such a beautiful white queen. Letter R. You got a superhero kitten. Letter S. There's a shopaholic kitten here. Letter T. You got a kitten traveler. Letter U. Wow, this kitten loves to relax on the seashore. Letter V. This dreaming kitten is so cute. Letter W. You got the happiest and funniest kitten. Letter X. Wow, this one is champion. Letter Y. You got a sporty kitten. Last one is letter Z. This one is so cute. Visit Gift Quiz for more fun. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.